Everyone, so in this video we are going to learn how we can configure the router in a CISCO Packet Tracer. So if you see, this is a CISCO Packet Tracer I am using. You can see the version I am using 8.2.2.0400. You can use any version, whatever the latest version available. Just go here, click the network device, then click the router. After that you can see all the routers are available here. Just you can drag like this and drop here, and this is a label. You can change, you can give any label. Example, I am giving as a R1. And after that, if you need switch, click here and drag here, keep one switch here, keep one switch here, and then here click the cable and click here and click here, click here. You can see here you have the interface. This is the interface G0 by 0 by 1, and here is a 0 by 0. So like many student is asking the question how to configure the router in CISCO Packet Tracer. So in this one we are going to learn how to configure that one. So see here, I am writing here 192.168.1.1/24. This IP we are going to assign to G0 by 0 by 0 interface, and the other interface, that is 192.168.2.1 and /24. This IP we are going to assign to this interface. Okay, so this interface, if you see, this is the interface. We are going to assign this IP. This IP we are going to assign to this interface. So how to configure this one, how to configure the router in a CISCO Packet Tracer? Just click here and click the CLI. You can see this is the CLI of the router. If you want to configure initial configuration, you can write yes here. They will ask you a lot of questions, but now we don't want to do the initial configuration. Whatever needed we will configure here. So we will write no here. After that you will go here, then you will go in the privilege mode by writing enable. Then after that, if you want to do the configuration, then you will write config T here. So you are inside the global configuration mode. If you see, this is a global configuration mode. Now you can write here host name to change the name of the router. So you can write here host name and then give the new name. Example, I want to give this one as a R1. After that, press enter. You can see the name is changed here. So this way we can change the name of the router. And the important thing, you need to create these, you need to assign the IP to this interface. And also if you want to put the enable password, you can write enable password. Any password you can give. I am giving ABC. So I put the enable password also here. If you want to create any user, you can write user name, any name you can give. I am giving ABC, and you can put password and you can give any password. I am giving ABC. So I created one user, I enable the password. If I exit this, see, I exit here, I exit here. Now I am trying to do the enable. When I write enable, you see they are asking me the password. Before they are not asking the password, I put the enable password here. If you see, this is a enable password. Here we enable. So you need to put ABC here. So you can go inside because we set ABC here. So I will put ABC here. Then I go inside the router. Now we will see how to assign the IP address to this router. So you need to go first in the global configuration mode. Then you need to write interface here G0 by 0 by 0. So G0 by 0 by 0. Press enter. Here you have GIG. You can write GIG also, or you can write directly G, no problem. It will take same thing. And then if you want to assign any IP, you will write IP address and put the IP, whatever IP you want to assign here. We want to assign this IP, so we can write here 192.168.1.1. Give space and write 255.255.255.0 and write no shut here. Okay. So we done this interface. Now we need to do for this interface. So here just write interface G0 by 0 by 0 by 1 and write here IP address 192.168.2.1. give space, write subnet mask 255.255.0 and write no shut here. Okay, this way we assign the IP address to the router interface. And if you want to save the configuration, write WR to save the configuration. So this way we can do the basic configuration to the router, CISCO router in Packet Tracer. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comments.